grab a banana off the chain. You're going to grab the knife out of the water. And then you're going to cut the banana without touching the inside of the banana. Going to peel back the top. Cut the banana in half. Grab the tip there and let it fall out onto the plate. Use the knife to move it into position. If you want, you can cut the banana in half so it sits in the bowl easier. Throw away your peel, and there's your banana. Now we're going to scoop 3 scoops of ice cream into here. For the traditional, it's chocolate ice cream in the middle, strawberry and vanilla on the outside. So we're going to use the mini dip. On the classic, for the ultimate, you'll use the single dip. Go around, we'll get our scoop of strawberry and put it on to one side. Chocolate and vanilla are over on this side. Then we're going to get our scoop of chocolate ice cream. Put that in the middle. Then grab our vanilla. Then we're going to grab a plate. Strawberry topping on top of strawberry, 1 ladleful. On top of vanilla, we're going to do pineapple, 1 ladleful. Chocolate sauce on top of the chocolate ice cream, not hot fudge, unless they ask for it. Shoot the whipped cream into the cup to make sure you're at the right consistency. A dollop of whipped cream on top of each scoop of ice cream, and then add the nuts. And then they get 1 cherry on top of each whipped cream. Do not drizzle on top of the banana split to ensure the old-fashioned ice cream shop look.